Hi, this video will show you how to create a database using J2E. Now within J2E, the program we need is J2Data, so I'll click on that. And then within J2Data, I want database, which is over here. Now, this might look complicated, but it really isn't. The first thing to understand is what exactly a database is. A database is a collection of records, each one about a different object. And within those objects, there are different fields which contain different information. The best way to explain would be to use an example. So our example will be the mountains of Wales. Now, when you first start building a database, you have to decide what the fields are, what different information we need about each mountain. So if I click on field name here, the first thing obviously is the name of the mountain. From the drop-down menu here, I need to decide what type of answer the pupils will put in. Now, since it's just the name of a mountain, it will be a text. These two I can leave empty for now. I'm going to add a second field. This will be the height of the mountain. Slightly different. It won't be text this time, it will be a number. Now, again, I can leave a couple of these blank, but there isn't units this time because it's height and all my answers, I expect them to be in meters. So I'll put an M there. My next field will be county, which county in Wales it is. Now I could go for a list here to do multiple choice, but since there are 22 councils in Wales, I think we'll stick with just text. And then I'll add another one, and this will ask, is it one of the 15 peaks of Wales? The mountains over 3,000 feet. There's only two possible answers, yes or no, so let's go for list for this one. And it already has the default yes or no as the possible answers. I could change them if I needed. I'm going to add one more field, and this is picture. So we can have a picture of the mountain. Now obviously from here the important one would be picture, sound or video. There we go. That's created the database for me. Now what we need is to add the records. Depending on the level and the ability of children, this might be all you need to do. And you would save it, and the pupils will then put all the records in themselves. For this example, however, we're going to put in 2 or 3. So to do that, I'm going to click on Form here. That will bring up an option to save the database. So I'll save this as mountains. And click on Form again. And this is where they enter the different fields for their mountains. Let's start with the obvious one, Snowdon. Snowdon is 1,085 metres. It's in Gwynedd. It is one of the 15 peaks. If I click on it, you could see the multiple choice come up, but we're going to stick with yes. If I clicked on this button here, it would enable me to upload a picture from the computer, but we'll skip that for now. I can save it. I can then add another mountain. Let's put Pen y Fan in this time. Now, Pen y Fan is slightly smaller than Snowdon, obviously, coming in at 886 metres. It's in Powys, and it's not one of the 15 peaks, so I'll click no. Again, I could click here to upload a picture, but let's not for now, and save. If I want to see the records that I've already entered, I click on Table here, and that shows the ones I've entered. I could use this search and ask questions to children to search a database. If you want to find out more about that, you can check out the other video on the database page. And there we go. That's how you create a database using J2Data. Good luck.